In this video, I'll guide you through combining Ethernet with a tethered Android device on your Mac using Speedify. If your Mac has a built-in Ethernet port, use an Ethernet cable to connect it to your router or modem. Otherwise, you can use a USB or Thunderbolt to Ethernet adapter, or even a USB hub with a port. To confirm your connection status, visit the System Preferences, then Network, and look for your new adapter in the list. When it comes to tethering, some mobile carriers limit or charge extra, so review your plan or check with your carrier before using a tethered connection. Additionally, there is one big caveat here when USB tethering between macOS and Android, and that is that the CDC Ethernet protocol that macOS uses does not have universal support in Android. So, compatibility, it really depends on the phone's Android version as well as manufacturer implementation. Now, I wish there were clearer guidelines, but frankly, the easiest way to figure out if your devices are compatible is just to try it. So, connect your Android device to your Mac with a USB cable. On your Mac, you may see a dialog that says Allow accessory to connect. If so, click Allow. Then, a notification will show at the top of the screen on your Android device. Swipe down, touch and hold the hotspot, then turn on USB tethering. Now, this next step is important, so don't skip it. Visit System Preferences on your Mac, click Network, and then select your Android device from the list, and click on the button that says Details. Uncheck the box next to Disable unless needed, and then hit OK. Last thing to note, when you USB tether an Android phone to a Mac, the phone shares its active internet connection, which means if Wi-Fi is on and connected, it will share Wi-Fi, not cellular. So in order to force it to share the mobile data connection, turn off Wi-Fi on the phone. Last but not least, if you haven't already, download and install Speedify, either from our site at speedify.com or directly from the Mac App Store. Once running, Speedify will automatically detect all internet connections available to your device, including Wi-Fi, cellular, Ethernet, and satellite, and begin combining them for increased stability, speed, and security. If you want more control, Speedify also contains tools like priorities and rate limits to let you customize how and when your connections get used. Now, sometimes your available internet connections simply aren't fast or reliable enough for the task at hand, even when bonded together. What then? Well, Speedify has a powerful answer for that too. It's a feature called Pair and Share. With Pair and Share, you can easily share 4G and 5G cellular connections back and forth between multiple Speedify users on the same local network, securely, wirelessly, and automatically. The more people you pair with, the stronger and more resilient your internet becomes. And since it's part of Speedify's core architecture, it works cross-platform across all supported operating systems, including iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, and Linux, as well as OpenWRT and powered by Speedify routers. Whether you're at home, on the road, or working remotely, Speedify is the only VPN that makes your internet faster, more reliable, and more secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more internet tips and tricks.